This is my documentary website, and so how I put this together was using a Dreamweaver, an HTML template, and so as you can see here, this is the template, and that shows up on each of the pages. So this is to make sure that all your pages are uniform and they all look the same. So you can look at the source code, and we put everything together using code, and you can link all the buttons so they go to the correct pages, and then in order to add colors and a background and stuff, you have to go through and you have to go to the cascading style sheet and go through and for example, in the header, which is this is the header, you go through and you can change the color of the header, you can change the font, so it doesn't show up here because this is just design view showing you how everything looks and layout wise, and then live view shows how you look on a website, a web page. But here you can see for my header, I went through and I put in I chose a color, so you can a hashtag for the color, and then I use the colors from my documentary book. I went through and I changed the text size and everything, and then for the nav, which this is the nav, you can go see that you put your buttons there, and those are in divs, so you can have them each individually be different, and you can also change the color of that, the background color, the color, the hover color for the buttons. If you go to live view, it shows you how the buttons look when you hover, and it shows you your text. And let's see. Also for the body, you can change the color for that. You can change text size, everything, and then you can go through on each page, and you can change. You put in editable regions, so you can change the title here, where it will show up the header, the text. You can put in pictures. This is a picture. It's in you go put in kind of a thing, and you can add a caption, and then you can see it's different on each page because we use the template, put it so it has all the same colors everywhere on each page. And if you change something on the template, it will change it on every page, but if you change it in an editable region of one, it will not change on every page. And then we put in a background header picture, so you can have a different picture in each header to add another visual effect.